What's up, Sunrays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be using a new product by TreLuxe. It is their Soothe and Restore Aloe Vera Curl Primer. So this curl primer is supposed to detangle the hair. It's supposed to hydrate, smooth, and refresh the hair as well. The key ingredients are aloe vera, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It is vegan. There's no sulfates, silicones, or artificial colors. So it is Curly Girl approved if you are on the Curly Girl method. So guys, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this today on this old wash and go. This is an old tangled wash and go. So I'm going to use the Soothe and Restore Curl Primer to detangle. Now it does say that it's best used on soaking wet hair. But because I'm out here and I want to show you guys, I am going to go ahead and just wet my hair with my water bottle and do it like that. So let me go ahead and get my hair in 4 sections. Okay, so now that I divided my hair in 4 sections, I have this part right here in the back. And as you can see, it is tangled. Like I said, this is a 5-day-old wash and go. So I am going to just kind of separate it gently, apply some water to get it wet. This is warm water I'm using. So get that wet. And then I'm going to go in with the primer. I guess I need to open it up. So as you can see, I have to open it up. I've never used this before, so this is going to be my first time using it, giving you guys my very honest first impressions of the product. There we go. And gonna see how it works. Okay, so there's the consistency. Has a very aloe vera type consistency to it. You can tell that it's going to have some slip. So let's go ahead and apply that. Ooh, yeah. Okay, guys, it has some slip. Look how my fingers are just going through my hair. Trying to be careful because, like I said, the ends are tangled, so I don't want to just rip them. So I am going through slowly and kind of just pulling out that shed hair. Wow. Guys, the scent is nice. It's a nice, pleasant scent. And like I said, it has no artificial colors. And I believe the scent is a pretty natural scent as well. So, yeah. Okay. So let me get my brush. Wow. Guys, this is good. This is nice as a detangler on wet hair. Okay. Wow. Okay. You know what? Let's do something different. Y'all know me. I am going to do as much as I can with this to show you guys different stuff. Okay. So let's do it on dry hair and see how it works just in case. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the curl primer. Okay. Ooh, still has slip. Wow. Still feels really good. And now I'll take my brush. And my brush is going straight through my hair. Nice. Very nice. Nice. Very, very, very nice. Okay, so while I detangle the rest of my hair, let me tell you a little bit more about the product. So the claims of the Soothe and Restore Aloe Vera Curl Primer is that it reduces detangling time by up to 70%. It smooths and defines curls for easier application of styling products. It is supposed to reduce the amount of water needed to refresh the curls between wash days. and it is supposed to decrease your drying time without sacrificing moisture. This primer is 100% vegan, 100% natural fragrance, 100% gluten-free, 100% cruelty-free, and there are no sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, or artificial colors. So again, you can use this curl primer as a primer before your styler, and if you need extra moisture, you can put a leave-in underneath it, and you can also use it as a refresher on dry or damp hair to increase the moisture and define your curls in between wash days. It says it is best used on hair and scalp that is cleansed at least once per week. Okay guys, so I have finished detangling my hair, and I am going to say that this worked very well as a detangler. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It took me no time whatsoever. If you were paying attention to the clip, you saw that on some sections I used water, on other sections I didn't. I wanted to see what the difference is. To me, you can do either or. It had a lot of slip without me adding water. It had slip with me adding water. So I want to let you know that. I also started using a little less as I got to this side, because I was thinking, well, let me see if I use less primer, how that works, and less water and everything. So I did that. I was still able to detangle. This side ended up being a little bit more frizzy on the ends because I used less water and less primer, but I still was able to detangle, where this side is a little bit more coily because it's a little bit more wet. It was more water and more primer. So want to let you know those two. Either way is great. So next I am going to use the TreLuxe Curl and Renew Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse to shampoo. And I'm going to use the Soothing Restore Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner to deep condition. And then I'm going to go in again with the Soothing Restore Curl Primer as my leave-in. So we're going to see how it works as a leave-in under my styler. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back, and I'm going to give you a quick take on the shampoo that I use, the Gentle Cleansing Rinse. I like it. Gentle shampoo. I used it twice. I did not have any stripping. My hair felt good. My hair felt clean. It's a light scent. To me, it's a very light scent. It's almost unscented in my opinion. So you won't have to worry about this if you are sensitive to smells. You definitely would be able to use the cleansing rinse. So I like this. Then I went in with the Soothing Restore Deep Conditioner. This deep conditioner is good. It has slip. I applied it to my hair. I was able to detangle with it. It soaked right in. I did sit under heat. When I got out from under the heat, you couldn't even see this on my strands. It has soaked in so well. Rinsed it out. It rinsed out nicely. And when I rinsed this out, my hair was defined. My hair was defined. I didn't put any, let me let you see it. There's nothing on this hair. Look at those coils. I mean, it's looking a little bit more frizzy now because there's nothing on it and the air is hitting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and put something on this. But this already had my curls defined, ready for the curl primer. So I really do like this. It's not gonna give you a really moisturized feel like you would get with moisturizing deep conditioners, but it definitely does not feel drying. It feels hydrated, and it feels healthy, a little bit strengthened maybe, but it feels good. And I just love the definition that it's given. I mean, it looks like I have a wash and go already. So I like this, and I would recommend this. So next I went in with the Soothing Restore Curl Primer. So I already applied it to these 3 sections of my hair because I'm using it as a leave-in / primer. And you guys know I put my leave-ins on in the shower. However, I did want to leave one out that where I didn't put the leave-in in one section, so I could do it up here for you guys so you can see. So again, my curls are already pretty much popping after rinsing out the deep conditioner. So I'm gonna go in with the curl primer. And guys, I'm gonna be honest, I think I may have used too much primer on this first section because the consistency of it is so thin that it just kind of comes out of the tube quite fast. So when it was in my hands, I just went on and applied it to that section, and it may have been too much. So I'm hoping it wasn't, but you know, I'm just learning the primer, so we're gonna see. So now I'm applying the primer to this section. As you can see, it still has a lot of slip. It's going straight through my curls, and it is starting to help define them even more. I'm hoping y'all can see that. I mean, I can see it in my mirror. I'm hoping the camera's picking it up. Hoping the camera's picking up what I'm putting down. Y'all know what I'm saying. So now I'm applying the curl primer, and hopefully this wasn't too much. I don't know if it was or not, but I'm using it as a leave-in, so I definitely want to get my hair as defined as possible, because I like doing my hair on soaking wet hair, and the leave-in usually will help to keep the curls defined until I get the styler of choice on there. So yeah, this is what it is looking like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Soothe and Restore Curl Defining Mousse as my styler. So I'm going to do a mousse wash and go, and you guys know that I have been doing a lot of mousse wash and goes lately, and mousses have been coming through for your girl. So hopefully this one is no different. So here we go. Okay, let me read the directions real quick. Cleanse and condition hair. While hair is still wet, apply 2 to 3 pumps of this mousse to the hands and distribute evenly, and allow curls to air dry or diffuse. So it has oat milk, vitamin E, and bamboo extract in this. So it said 2 or 3 pumps. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna start out with 2 for this section. It feels moisturizing. It has that buttery, moisturizing feel to this mousse. So that's great. And guys, I'm doing this side first because, like I said, I don't want it to dry out since it didn't have anything on it until now. So yeah, let's go with this. And I just did 2 pumps again. I think 2 right now is plenty. When I get up to this crown, we're gonna see. We might have to go up to 3 pumps. We'll see. But I'm definitely liking the feel of it. Okay, so we're doing good. So okay guys, you see what I'm doing. This is my first time using this mousse. And I like it. Okay guys, so that is the first section, and let me show you this. So this already had the curl primer on it. So again, look at my hair. My hair looks very dark, and it's already primed and somewhat defined with the primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the mousse to this. We're gonna see how it works. Okay guys, I'm gonna part my hair here on the side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to put the mousse all over my head, and I'll be back once it's all applied. Okay guys, so I am back and the mousse is all applied to my hair. I was only using 2 pumps per section, which I think that I could have used less, because as you use the mousse, it expands. So what I mean by that is as you use it, it's expanding. So then when you would go to the next section, you still have a whole lot of mousse on your hands, and you can just add that to the next section. You don't need to really go in with, you know, a fresh 2 pumps of mousse. So you live and you learn. So I probably used more than what I needed to use. With that being said, I am going to go ahead and sit under the dryer. It said to air dry or diffuse, but you guys know me, I don't air dry. My hair is too thick and it takes too long to diffuse. So I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer and I'll be back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and this is my hair. So I dried it under the dryer. Like I said, it took about 30 minutes, which is great for, you know, a mousse and a primer. I actually thought it was going to take longer than that because of the primer, but it didn't. So that is great. The other thing is that I did not stretch my hair. This is it. This is my hair from under the dryer. Okay, so I kind of just did it like this and there you go. It is very soft. There's no crunch whatsoever with the products, so I want you to know that, at least for me. So the Curl Restore Primer with the mousse gives me a fluffy, defined wash and go. There's definitely definition, nice fullness that I love with no crunch. So that is right up my alley. I have no flaking whatsoever. Guys, y'all know I'm gonna give y'all the truth. I'm gonna give y'all the real skinny on these products, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about the Soothe and Restore Aloe Vera Primer. This primer is good, okay? It is good. You saw the texture of it. I'm not sure if I told you about the smell, but the smell is a very light, sweet aloe vera scent. It's not overpowering. It won't irritate your eyes. It won't irritate your senses or anything like that. So if you are sensitive to smells, you don't have to worry about that with this. And I must say something else. I think it's worth a purchase, guys. If you like to Prepoo and you want something that has a lot of slip, this is it. This is it right here. It worked well as a Prepoo. You saw me use it in my hair. It worked well as a primer underneath the mousse. You see how my hair has turned out. The product works well together. So I think it's worth it. It did what it said it's going to do. The only thing I haven't tried it for is a refresher, but you guys know I usually try to come back on day 3 to give you final thoughts and let you see my hair. At that time, I'll try to, you know, maybe use it as a refresher and let you know how that goes. But until then, you see my hair. And definitely think you need to give TreLuxe a try if you have not. If you haven't, I do have a link in my description box if you want to go on over there and try the products out. I also have a discount code in the description box. I'll put them here on the screen as well. And guys, if you're going to pick up the product, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to their YouTube channel as well as their Instagram, so you can stay abreast of any new droppings that they have, any sales that's going on, and things of that sort. So like I said, all that will be in my description box. But yes, guys, I recommend this. And to be honest, all the products that I used today, I would recommend. The shampoo, gentle cleansing rinse is really good, not stripping, very gentle, light scent. The deep conditioner is great, slip for days, so you can definitely detangle with that, and it gives you a nice even moisture, hydration, and strengthening balance, in my opinion. So it's really good. And then of course this is good, as well as the mousse. So guys, yeah, my recommendation, give it a try, see how you like it. Don't forget to use their link in the description box as well as the coupon code if you want to save some money. And yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know if you're going to pick it up. If you are, what you're going to try. Leave all that in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this wash and go. And guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.